let's consider this question. Here we are given y is equal to 2 to find dy dx. This means that we're going to differentiate y, and while we are doing that, we should respect x in this function. However, in this function there is no x to respect, hence our answer is 0. Likewise, we can restructure this question like this, because in mathematics anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1, and 2 times 1 is 2. And if we consider this question like this, by respecting the general rule, we're going to get 0, because 0 multiplies anything, we actually reduce it to 0. Hence, our answer still remains C. This is calculus. These are recommended video topics in differentiation, and also some suggested video topics in integration, including their applications. To solve differentiation and integration problems efficiently, always remember these formulas and notations. Including pre-calculus video topics. To locate all these videos, follow the link on the screen. I will see you in the next video.